So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto MT, and the all new 2024 Supro Solterra is our new model. Supro has made several updates to the Solterra for its second year. The new model features a squad of oval-shaped steering wheels for a better view of the digital gauge display, along with the new pedals on the back of the spoke to adjust the regenerative braking system. The driver assistance features now include a low-speed hands-free driving mode, automatic lane changing, and intersection collision detection system. So additionally, the battery warming system has been improved to enhance charging in cold weather, and the Solterra runs entirely on the city. Comes with a high all-wheel drive system powered by the two electric motor. These motors produce a combined 215 horsepower and 249 pound-feet of torque. The power can be adjusted through the four drive modes: Eco, Normal, Power, and X mode, which help on slippery on the uneven terrain by adjusting the power to each wheels. For off-roading enthusiasts, the Solterra offers 8.3 inches all-off ground clearance and the grip control features, which act as low speed cruise control and the pedal on the steering wheels, and lets you change the regenerative braking force. During our test on Arizona trails, the Solterra proved capable of and could even perform on non-paved surface by fully deactivating stability control and distributing 60% of torque to the rear axle. So Supro stated that the Solterra battery pack has a gross capacity of 72.8 kW. The premium trim has EPA around 227 miles, while the limited and touring trims offer 222 miles with a level 2 charging station, and the onboard to 6 kW charger can recharge the battery in about 9 hours. And using a 100 kW DC fast charger, it can go 80% of charge in approximately 35 minutes. And 24 Solterra EV is maintained Supro rugged appeal with a standard all-wheel drive and light off-roading capabilities. Its design may not appeal to everyone, blending Supro and Toyota BZ4X element, but it offers a spacious interior for 4 adult and ample cargo space, and the dual motor powertrain with a 215 horsepower providing a decent acceleration through the driving range is limited to the maximum 227 per charge. Offer EVs SUVs like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Tesla Y offer longer range. So guys, the 2024 Supro Solterra start from $46,000 around and go up to $53,000 depending on the trim option. Thank you guys for watching. If you want a more updated news, so please subscribe.